Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso.com and we're continuing our video series about all the Baja Designs LED lighting upgrade kits for the 21 and up Toyota Tundra. Now in this video, we're talking specifically about all the kits that are available for that A-pillar mounting location. There are 4 kits to choose from, and I love this mounting location because number 1, very easy install, but number 2, it also is about as high on the truck as you can go without going above the driver's eye line, and going above the driver's eye line with like a roof bar can sometimes cause glare that you might get from particulate that's in the air or rain or snow, something like that. You don't get that speed of light travel effect. Plus, the A-pillar is a great location to kind of tilt those lights out a little bit and make sure you get ditch lighting for full situational awareness. Now, on the topic of installation, we're going to be making the official Baja Designs installation guide video and show you how to install these step by step. We'll put a link to that video right here. Now, if you find this video helpful in choosing which kit you want to buy, please consider buying it from us because that's what supports what we do here. We're going to put links to everything in the description. Those links will take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can also reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO if there's anything else that we can answer for you. Now, the first 3 kits that you can choose from are going to feature the Baja Designs XL series housing. Now that XL is a 5" by 5" traditional LED light pod. It's going to feature the necessary mounting brackets for the A-pillar and of course mounting the XL housing to the bracket. It's going to include the necessary wiring and all the mounting hardware that you need, period. Now it's also going to include 3 full sets of clear lenses. So one of the great things about these lights is that you can interchange the lenses to change the different light pattern and or light color that you need. So it's going to come with the 3 different clear lenses. You're going to be able to choose from a wide cornering lens, which will diffuse the light all over the place, a combo lens, which is 50-50 wide cornering and 50-50 spot, and that's going to make sure that you have a spread of light, and that's probably the most popular lens for this mounting location. Or if you've got some other light that'll help spread light around, you can just go with a spot lens and send all that light way up the trail. The key is it includes all of the different lenses to make sure that you can tune the lights to exactly what you need. Now, if you'd like to also change that light color to amber because you're going to be in like more harsh conditions, like anything that can cause glare, snow, fog, ice, all of that, the white light is not ideal. That amber lens is going to help make sure that the light cuts through and doesn't produce that glare for you. Those are not included in the kit, but they are sold separately, and we'll put links to those lenses in the description of this video under the accessories. Now, the 3 kit options you're going to have to choose from really come down to what level of light output do you want coming off of those A-pillars. So it's going to be broken down into the XL Sport, the XL Pro, and the XL80. The XL Sports are going to put out 3,160 lumens each for a total of a little over 6,300 lumens from that pair of XLs. When you bump up to the XL Pro, you're now going to 4,100 lumens per light pod for a total of 8,200 lumens from the pair. And then the XL80 jumps up to a whopping 9,000 lumens per XL, and that means 18,000 lumens of lighting coming off that A-pillar location for a little bit extra. That is a massive amount of lighting from that A-pillar location. Simply choose the level of lighting that you want. Again, all 3 links to those will be in the description of the video. However, if you'd like to go to the top of the line performance available from this A-pillar kit, that's going to be what I have sitting in front of me here, and that's going to be the LP4 version of this. Now, there's a variety of reasons why this is going to be a really great option for this A-pillar location. I'll take you through why now. So this kit obviously still going to include the same mounting brackets, all the mounting hardware that you need. And it's going to include 1 additional set of lenses. It's going to come with the clear combo lens. It's going to split the light 50-50, or they're going to include the spot lens that's going to allow you to swap that in and send the light all the way up the trail. But here's what you need to know that I really like about these LP4s. The first is, these are each going to put out about 8,900 lumens each. So just shy of that 9,000 you're going to get from each of the pods in the XL80, almost 18,000 lumens from the combined total. But one of the things that's unique about these LP4s is that they have these bezeled edges, these IPT side projectors. This is going to split 22% of the light that's going to shoot off the corners of these lights, giving you a total spread of 200 degrees of light. So it's essentially, instead of having to take the XLs and maybe tilt them out a little bit and spread it to get ditch lighting, this is already going to shoot light off the sides and give you great ditch lighting. That is one of the best things about these LP4s. And because they do shoot light on the inside as well, and that can cause an issue with maybe a little bit of that light shooting right right into your eye as the driver. They're now including these kits with their new IPT covers. These little covers can be placed on the inside and affixed to just block that inside light a little bit and make sure you don't get any glare as a driver. Now, additionally, the other thing that I really like about these LP4s, and that is hugely popular in the industry, is it does feature an amber backlight option. That means that you can wire in a separate amber backlight. That is not a light that projects an amber light. That is simply a marker light that's become very popular in things like Raptors and Tundras and Tacomas, giving you that cool accessory lighting option that you can either switch on or off. Now, this does come with a switched harness in all 4 of these kits. If you're using any sort of switch controller, you can simply cut the switch and the relay out of there, and a popular switch controller for this application is gonna be something like the sPOD. And we're making a separate video to take you through all the features and functionality of that really cool 3D mounted mounting application that they have that puts that right in the headliner. We're going to put a link to that video right here. Check that out. Otherwise, because your Tundra doesn't have any OEM auxiliary switches, you're going to be needing to just mount that switch wherever you want it, or maybe there's some other switch controllers you might choose to use. Any which way you choose to do it, these 8-pillar mounting locations are going to be a great solution for throwing light way up the trail and down into the ditches, and it looks pretty killer on there too. Now, like I said, we're going to give you a how-to installation guide on how to install these. We'll link to that right here, and links to all 4 of these kits will be in the description of the video. And if you found this helpful in choosing which kit's right for you, please do shop with us. It supports what we do here, and we'd love to help you. You can reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. Now, if you'd like to check out a fog light upgrade for your Tacoma, that goes right in that stock location. We had a separate video about that. We'll link to that right here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out all of our other videos about these lighting options for the 21 and up Tundra. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.